in power. In keeping with quote that change alone is unchanging, a transformation never seen before in the political history of Tamil Nadu has come about in the recently concluded Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly elections. Within just 2 years of the party founding, the historical leader of our times, the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has formed the government with the overwhelming support of the people, single-handed by overcoming many barriers, vanquishing many money power, and upholding democracy. Perarikar Anna once said, "Innocence is not a poison that destroys virtues. It is the means to destroy the venomous pest that destroys those virtues."